Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to TRHD. Today I have something awesome to show you guys. It's a brand new AIO liquid cooler from Corsair. This is the newest Hydro Series H100i Pro RGB liquid cooler. But before we check out this new product, let me tell you about a special news. As requested by you guys, new PC build videos are coming soon on my channel. I know you all have been waiting very eagerly for those PC build videos, and trust me, they are going to be awesome. And yes, don't worry, budget gaming PC builds are also there on the list. Now talking about this cooler, I'm actually upgrading my entire setup and building a new PC for myself. I'll give you more details about my new PC in the coming videos. And for that PC, I'm going with this awesome RGB liquid cooler from Corsair. It's a brand new model which was launched a couple of days ago, and I'm very excited to show it to you. The model of this cooler is Hydro Series H100i Pro. This is the first time I'm actually unboxing a cooler, so I hope you'll have fun watching this video. The cooler comes in this sort of box packing. You've got the Corsair branding at the top. This liquid cooler has a lot of awesome features which I'll be talking in the video. You've got a picture of the product here. This is how it looks like. It has a dynamic multicolor RGB LED pump head that glows beautifully like this. It's compatible with Corsair Link software, has two 120mm fans, and comes with 5 years of guarantee. You've got some features written here, let's check them out. It has a customizable RGB pump head, has dual radiators with 2 ml series PWM fans, and the special thing is, it has 0 RPM profile, which allows both the fans to totally stop spinning at low temperatures to completely eliminate fan noise. Now that is what I wanted. So these were few of its features. Let's get started with the unboxing. Let me grab my knife and cut this out of packing. I want to thank Corsair for sending me this product for review. There we go. So this is how the box packing looks like. Beautiful, right? I love the black and yellow color combination. Alright, let's open the box and check it out. On opening the box, we've got some paperwork at the top. It's a user manual and a warranty guide. Just make sure to read them for all the info on the product. Let's keep them aside and check out the cooler. So this is how the H100i Pro RGB liquid cooler comes packed in the box. It's an AIO CPU cooler and comes with a 240mm radiator. The fans come separately packed in these boxes. You have to fix them on the radiator. So these are the fans that you get with the cooler. They are Corsair's ML series 120mm PWM fans. They're not any other ordinary fans. They're premium quality fans designed to provide maximum airflow. You get two such fans in the box. We'll talk about them in a moment. Let's put them aside and check out the other stuff you get in the box. Here is the 240mm radiator with the pump head. Let me just take it out of these covers. So this is Corsair's new Hydro Series H100i Pro RGB cooler, and holy smokes, it looks beautiful. Look at that Corsair logo on the side. From my first impressions, I have to tell, this thing has solid build quality. Let me keep it aside for now and show you what's inside this packet. You get a few cooler mounting kits to support different CPU sockets, a packet of screws for installation of the cooler, one more packet of screws for the installation of fans on the radiator, and finally a USB cable for Corsair IQ software integration. So these were all the items we got in the box. Now let's check out this new AIO liquid cooler. The Corsair's Hydro Series H110i Pro has a 240mm radiator, and the radiator is entirely made of aluminum. It feels a bit heavy in the hand and has this beautiful Corsair logo over here. It's there on the other side as well. This cooler is suitable for both Intel and AMD sockets. Let me show you how it looks from the front. Here you have 8 mounting holes, so you can fix both the fans with the help of provided screws in the box. So that was about the radiator. It has a standard 240mm AIO design and easily fits in most of the cabinets. Now talking about the pump head, this is how beautiful Corsair's new RGB pump head looks like. It's got the Corsair logo at the top that glows in RGB, and the lighting effects are completely controllable with the software. The build quality of the pump head is top notch. It's mostly made of metal and has an RGB ring over here as well. So on this cooler, you've got RGB lighting only on the pump head. On the left side, there's a micro USB port. This is where you need to attach that USB cable that you get in the box to control it with the Link software. And talking about the pipes, both the rubber tubes are sealed in black nylon braid that go to the 90° swivel connectors on the radiator. And these are all the cables attached to the pump head. There's a SATA power cable, a 3-pin cable for pump speed control, and two 4-pin PWM fan headers. At the bottom of the pump head, Corsair has gone with a copper-based contact plate for efficient heat transfer between the cooler and the CPU. This cooler comes with pre-applied thermal paste from the factory. I don't want to mess it up, that's why I'm not removing this cover on it. And finally, coming to the fans, you've got these two premium quality 120mm ML series PWM fans. They have a black and grey color combination and have a solid build quality. These PWM fans utilize magnetic levitation technology to deliver high performance with low noise. They are designed in such a way to keep both the airflow and the static pressure high. Now everything was good about this cooler, the only thing I felt was Corsair should have provided RGB ML series fans instead of the standard ones. That would have given this cooler a beautiful and a rich look. So that was my unboxing and overview on Corsair's newest Hydro Series H100i Pro RGB liquid cooler. It definitely feels promising in terms of both performance and looks. I can't wait to build my new PC with this cooler. This is gonna be epic. I've already got a few parts for the build and few more are on the way. So I hope you all enjoyed today's video and got to learn or see something new. This cooler is priced for about $120 in the US. It will be available soon in India. I'm not sure about the pricing, but I think it will cost somewhere around 10 to 12,000 rupees. If you guys like this video and want to see more such kind of PC component videos, let me know in the comment section down below. So that was it for today. Thanks for watching my video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.